ढोल बजा। लगी पड़ी है लंका, ठंड पड़ी जो चिल्ली, पहन के स्वेटर ओढ़ के स्वैगर सबको नचा। दिल्ली रे तू रोर मचा, दिल्ली रे तू रोर मचा।
Well, हमारे business partners हैं, हमारे star winners, हमारे star cricket players also are here from Delhi Capitals. So देर किस बात की? Sachin is going to stop talking and we shall begin the Q&A, the virtual meet and greet with our star players from Delhi Capitals. And मैं जैसे ही आपका नाम लूंगा, हमारी बैकिंग टीम आपको इस virtual space पर लाएगी, आप आपका सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. I request Vel Murugan, Chandramohan Singh and Nakul Vyas to please be on standby. And starting with Vel Murugan, if you're here, request to please join us in. I am guessing I've got he is not here, so we move on to Chandramohan Singh. Chandramohan Singh ji, if you're here, request to please join in and go ahead with your question.
Hello, thank you. First of all, good evening, everyone. Good evening. And I would like to thank GSW Group for giving me this opportunity to talk to my idol Shikhar Dhawan. Thank you, Paji. I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you.
जिस तरह आप हमेशा हंसते खेलते रहते हो कुछ भी, I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you.
So my question for you is like the same thing. Like, how do you keep yourself so calm and composed? If the tension or a match may be, you keep yourself so composed. Like, I'm growing entrepreneur. हम लोग टेंशन में आते हैं कुछ टारगेट को लेके, but you are so composed, so calm, and the way you play your shots. How do you keep yourself so composed?
So I thank you. I work on my emotional health a lot, and जैसे मैं ध्यान सुनता हूँ तो उससे मुझे समझ आती है कि भी किस तरीके की सोच रखनी चाहिए, कैसा रखना चाहिए, और अगर में या ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन आई है जिस वक्त प्रेशर आ रहा है तो मैं पैनिक कर जाऊंगा, तो पैनिक में मेरा दिमाग क्लियरली चलेगा भी नहीं, और उस वक्त मेरे को उस वक्त शांति रखनी ज़रूरी होती है, और उस वक्त क्लैरिटी रखने से सॉल्यूशन मिल जाता है. तो वो सारी चीज़ें मैं हमेशा ध्यान में रखता हूँ और कोशिश करता हूँ कि उसको रिफाइन करता जाऊँ. और स्ट्रेस थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा रहता है, पर अगर हद से ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस हो जाए तो फिर वो हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है, और फिर शरीर में बीमारियाँ भी आती है. तो इसलिए एक लाइफ है तो खुशी से एंजॉय करके निकालनी चाहिए. और इफ यू वांट फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू point B, you can go being happy only. You don't have to reach point B and then get happy. You can start happy from point A and reach point B happily.
Thank you, Paji. Thank you,
Chandramohan Singh. Thank you. May the request that restrict yourself to one question because our players also have other commitments. So I request everybody needs to get a chance. And Shikhar Dhawan उनकी performance से ये कहते हैं कि हम stress लेते नहीं हैं, stress देते हैं. Well, thank you, Chandramohan Singh, for your question. And moving on to Nakul Vyas, the virtual space is all yours. Go ahead with your question.
Hello, Shreyas. Hello, Rishabh, and hello, Shikhar. Hope you're good. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you and also well as the Delhi Capital team. Amazing performance in this IPL season. As JSW Cement starts strong, grow stronger, the same as the Delhi Capital team. My question is to Shreyas. He has never ever gone to finals till now, and this season we are sure that Delhi will be going to the finals, making to the finals. So what is your strategy for winning the finals and this IPL season, and as also the crucial matches are going to be ahead?
Sorry, the voice was cracking, so I wasn't able to hear, but I'll try to answer the question, whatever I heard based on that. So I would just like to say that, it's really important when you're doing something like now we are playing cricket, and even in your activity, I feel that you should stick to present, not think much about finals or, what's going to happen in future. So, we are going to take one match at a time. we've got still 2 games left, and it's really important that we win both of them. But since we are going to play Mumbai Indians in the next game, we are only going to focus on that. And, one by one, we are going to take, and that's how you reach your target. So definitely that is going to be an end goal to win the finals. But how we would reach that, that's what we have to plan about right now, and the process of that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nakul Vyas and the entire team that is sitting there, all the red color stars there. Thank you so much for joining in, and thank you for your question, Nakul, on behalf of the entire team. Moving on to Mr. Javeed. Have I pronounced it wrong? Right, please tell me, pardon my French if I did, but Mr. Javeed, it's over to you.
Hi all, we wish you all the best for the IPL T20. My question for Shreyas, who is your role model and why?
Shikha, could you hear it?
हाँ जी भाई साहब, तो मेरे कोई भी रोल मॉडल नहीं है। मेरे को जो कोई पसंद आता है देखने में कि यार वो क्या अच्छा कर रहे हैं, तो मैं उनकी वो अच्छी हैबिट पिक कर लेता हूँ और अपनी गेम में या अपने आप में उसको लाने की कोशिश करता हूँ। तो जैसे सचिन पाजी हो गए, यूवी पाजी हो गए, या डी फ्लावर हो गया, मैथ्यू हेडन, तो इन सब का जो भी अच्छा लगता था तो वो मैं, कोई भी खूबी अच्छी लगती थी तो मैं अपने अंदर करता था। और मेरा ये मानना है कि कभी भी दूसरे की तरह नहीं बनना चाहिए। हर एक इंसान स्पेशल है, तो आपको अपने आप को पहचानना चाहिए और अपनी जो एक स्पेशलिटी है वो पूरी तरीके से निखार के लानी चाहिए। दूसरों से अच्छी बातें सीखिए और अपनी इंडिविजुअलिटी को ना खोइए दूसरे के चक्कर में। क्या बात।
Thank you, Shikha, हमें हमेशा इंस्पायर करने के लिए। थैंक यू। एंड मिस्टर जवीद, थैंक यू आपके सवाल के लिए। बाकियों से दरख्वास्त है कि प्लीज आपका माइक जो है म्यूट पर रखें जब दूसरे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, बिकॉज़ आपकी आवाज यहाँ पर आती है, so that the players and also the one who's asking the question gets a little disturbed. So request you please put your mic on mute when you're not asking a question. Moving on to Mr. Gajanan Kamath ji, and then Sinan Shah. Request to please be on standby. Mr. Kamath, welcome, and it's over to you.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. My question to Mr. Shikhar Dhawan is that, first of all, I'd like to tell that JSW Cement produces a very consistent quality of cement, and this year Delhi Capitals have been playing very consistently. Am I very audible?
You are now. You are.
Yes. So this year, Delhi Capital has been playing very consistently, except for last few matches. And my question to Mr. Shikhar Dhawan sir is that, sir, which is your most memorable innings you have played till now for Indian team, and who is the most difficult bowler you have ever faced?
Right. So my favorite inning, I guess, against Australia in this World Cup, when I broke my thumb, and when I was on 25, I broke my thumb and I scored 125 runs or 27 runs with a broken thumb. So that is quite my favorite one. And what was the other question? Difficult bowler. Oh, difficult bowler. Depends on particular day or particular track. Like on a turning track, off spinner can be very difficult for me, or on a seaming track, a fast bowler like Mitchell Stark, he's quite sharp bowler, so he's also difficult. But not that I don't think that he's very difficult this or that, but on particular day they can give us trouble. Yeah. Or like Anderson on a swinging wicket.
Thank you, Kamatji. Thank you so much for your question. And moving on to Sinan Shah. Sinan, if you're here. And after that, we have Mahalingam ready to ask his question. But up first, it's Sinan Shah.
Hello, Delhi Capital people. So this is Sinan Shah from Mumbai. This question to Shreyas Iyer. And here is someone, Pudaraite, your senior from Pudaraite, and here's a junior from your school from Don Bosco. So this kid was so super excited to come and see you all. that I wanted to ask a question, but he has stopped me and he'll be asking a question to you. Rian, please go ahead.
Okay. Go ahead.
So my question is to Shreyas Iyer that in commentary versus the match versus Punjab this IPL, the first match, I had heard that you always when the ball is coming towards, before you move your legs, your two legs are always inside the crease. I would like to ask you that what is the advantage of that?
That's a very good question. No one has ever asked me that kind of question. And I also didn't know that both my legs come inside the crease. But yeah, it basically happens, when the bowler is bowling at a good pace. So when you want to cut down the pace, you try to go deeper inside the crease. So you try to vary their lengths and you are one step ahead of the bowler. So I feel that's how you can manipulate the bowler with your mindset, by moving around in the crease, and also you can play accordingly after that wherever you want to play, and especially in the death overs when you know that they are going to bowl Yorkers to you. So it's if you stand deeper inside the crease, you can make those Yorkers into half volleys, and that's how you can convert your Yorkers. So that's the idea behind that.
Thank you so much, Little Shah, for your question, and that was quite a technical question there, must say. And बड़ा होके हर्षा भोगले बनेगा. Thank you. And so question होता है. Thank you, and thank you, Shreyas. We saw that smile on your face as soon as you got that in-depth analysis of that question.
Yes.
Thank you. Moving on to Mahalingam. If you're here on this virtual space, please go ahead with your question, and then we have Rana Datta. Request to please be on standby.
Okay, good evening all, and first of all the very best for the DC team to win the IPL. And my question for fans would be, what's your aspiration for a new world record in IPL?
Question is for?
Hello?
Yes, your question is for?
This is for sorry, one second. I am Rishabh Pant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just want to know what's your aspiration for creating a new world record in IPL? So anything you have in your mind?
No, sir, I haven't thought about anything as of now, but I can think of something now. You have given me something to think about, that making a world record. But I think if you think about the world record, it's difficult to get it then. So if you keep playing your game and keep believing in your processes, you might get a world record.
Great. That's really happy to hear that. So all the very best for all three. So have a nice evening.
Thank you, Mahalingam. Thank you so much. And moving on to Rana Datta. Rana Datta, if you're here, please go ahead with your question.
सबसे पहले तो मैं कंपनी का हमारे एमडी सर मिस्टर पार्थ जिंदल सबको तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं कि ऐसे एक हमारे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी दिए हैं। तो मेरा दो क्वेश्चन है धवन भैया को। मेरा दो क्वेश्चन है, आप जब रात में हर दिन हर रोज और मैच जब होते हैं तो उससे पहले रात को जब आप सोते हो तो क्या सोच के, क्या दिमाग में लेके आप सोते हो, और सुबह जब उठते हो क्या दिमाग में लेके आप मैदान में आते हो? ये थोड़ा हमको बिजनेस में भी हेल्प होगा, आपका ये कॉन्फिडेंस।
जब मैं सोता हूँ तो क्या कहते हैं, दोनों समय बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट है, सोने से पहले और सुबह उठने के बाद भी। तो सोने से पहले मैं बस यही बोलता हूँ कि मैं एक पीसफुल सोल हूँ, फुल ऑफ लॉट ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड, अबंडेंस है मेरी लाइफ में और मैं भरपूर हूँ। तो वो मैं अपने आप को जरूर, और अगर जैसे मैंने तो मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि मैं बहुत अच्छा, मैं अपनी कैपेबिलिटी से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा खेल रहा हूँ और खूब सारे रन्स बना रहा हूँ, खूब सारी ट्रॉफीज जीत रहा हूँ। तो यही बोलता हूँ अपने आप को, कोई नंबर नहीं देता कि मुझे इतने स्कोर करने हैं, वो करने हैं। अगर मैं ये सब करूँगा तो मेरे मतलब ये सब जो मैं बोलता हूँ मैं वो जब बोलता हूँ तो उससे एक मैं एनर्जी क्रिएट करता हूँ, और फिर सुबह उठ के भी मेरी सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन रहती है मेरे लिए। और उससे क्या होता है कि मेरे को कोई वो नहीं रहता कि मेरे को इतने रन बनाने हैं इतने, मैं उसमें वो 50 भी आ सकता है, 30 भी आ सकता है, 100 भी आ सकता है। अगर मैं अच्छा खेल रहा हूँ और अच्छा कर रहा हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली मैं अच्छा ही परफॉर्म करूँगा। तो ये मेरी अफर्मेशंस रहती हैं जब मैं सोने से पहले, उठने पे।
Thank you so much, Ranadatta, for your question, and thank you, Shikhar, for sharing with us also affirmations work in such a brilliant way. Thank you. Moving on to Shijo Chako. Shijo Chako, if you're here, request you to please join us in and go ahead with your question.
Hello, sir. Sir?
Hi, go ahead with the question, Shijo Chako.
Yeah. My question is that we are the team of the JSW, and the motto of JSW Cement is start strong and grow stronger. Now the beginning stage we are strong, but the last 4 matches we are getting back. So what is the result we will get as the JSW Cement? We will get start strong and grow stronger.
Sir,
can you repeat the question, please?
My question is to Shreyash Iyer.
Okay. So yeah, you're talking about the last few games which we haven't played well, right?
Yeah, last 3 games we are getting back.
Yeah, I wouldn't say we are getting bad. It's just that we are having that roller coaster journey. We always already started off on a good note, and obviously things didn't go that well on our end, but that doesn't make us bad players or bad team. And I personally feel that we've got all the capability of coming back strong. It's all important about how strong we bounce back. And as a team, we are very motivated and we are very enthusiastic to go on the field and get a victory for the team. But at the same time, we also have to think that we need to be calm and composed whenever we go out there. We shouldn't just go out there with this mindset of winning the game. There is a small routine and process that we follow, and I'm sure that in the next game you'll see the reflection of whatever we do now.
Shijo Chakuji, thank you so much for your question. And in a sport, in a game, you win some, you lose some. And the fact is, you guys are on number 3, definitely strong contenders to make it to that trophy. So all the best to you guys. And next we have is Devadatta Pant. Yes.
This is Suprita again. Sorry to be like the class monitor, but we're running very short on time, so we'll have to wrap this up at the earliest.
Yes, teacher. We are doing that in the next 2 minutes. That's my promise to you.
All right. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you. And we have Devadatta Panda. Devadatta Panda. Hello to you and welcome.
Hello. Hi, I am Mr. Devadatta Panda. Hello.
Hi, we can hear you.
Hi, I am Mr. Devadatta Panda.
Yes, go ahead with the question, sir.
And hello, this is B. Manasi Panda, daughter of Devadatta Panda.
Hello.
Feeling very joyous to be connected with you virtually straight from Odisha.
Thank
so
you.
my first question is for our wicketkeeper Rishabh Pant. So my first question is, whom would you like to have on the non-striker end when you are at the striker end?
Anyone, I'm fine with anyone, man. I'll
Sorry?
take the captain with me.
But next to him is our Gabbar.
See,
We can't bat 3, right? Can't bat
all
3
3 of us can't bat together.
मैं श्रेयस की गोदी में बैठ के
Well, I have to intervene, but Mansi, that's all the time we have for one question because they have some commitments. So I'm sorry to intervene. I'm being the villain here. But Mansi, thank you so much. And you are the future Mayanti Langer.
Thank you so much.
For asking such an in-depth, analytical question. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you the entire family for joining in. And yes, we are a little bit thank but we have one gentleman who has a wedding in his family. His son or daughter is getting married, and he's still joined us in right now. Vel Muruganji, if you are here, congratulations to your family on the wedding, and thank you for joining in. And go ahead with your question. Vel Muruganji, if you're here. I request you to turn your mic on.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Go ahead with the question.
Yeah. Hi, nice to see all three of you together.
Thank you.
Today is very important day for us because today is my daughter's marriage.
Oh,
Congratulations. Get a bit of dance from us.
Today is the daughter's marriage, and it happens. We are very happy.
Please go ahead with the question.
And he's my daughter's father-in-law.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Congratulations.
And he's my son.
Hello.
Hello. Congratulations.
We've had a virtual tour of the wedding, I must say. Congratulations.
Thanks a lot.
And big shout out to the entire family. Please go ahead.
Thanks a lot. And I'm very happy with the way you're heading Shesh, the Delhi Capitals team. We were amazed, particularly the 3 matches back. The last over, 17 runs was required and 3 sixes on a row. The last over was something. We all cheered up. Very great captaincy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. और आपकी शादी में बैंड बाजा बारात जब भी होगा हम जरूर यहाँ से नाचेंगे virtual space से. Congratulations to your family, your daughter, the in-law, the new family members, and thank you so much for joining us and taking your time out.
Thanks.
With that, I would like to call a wrap for this session and would like to invite on this screen Mr. Gurminder Singh, brand head, to share a few words of motivation. So over to you, sir, and welcome.
Hi, thank you, Sachin. Good evening to everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this beautiful opportunity and a rare opportunity to interact with the star players of DC. I'm here filling in for my CMO and CEO who are busy in the board meeting right now. But I'll just take this opportunity to thank the star player Shreyas Iyer, Rishabh Pant, and Shikhar Dhawan for taking out precious time to spend wonderful moments with us. And in the same breath, I would like to thank our most valued dealer partners, who in these tough times of pandemic have been by our side and scored highest runs by, selling a lot more cement. For the benefit of everyone, quickly, at JSW Cement, we were running a parallel league along to the IPL league, which we called Heroes Club League for our dealers, right? And people who scored the highest in the dealers across the length and breadth of the India have made it to this live interaction. And as all of you are aware, that IPL is the biggest opportunity, presented to grab the eyeballs of Indian consumers, right? Hence, with the blessings of our dynamic and visionary MD Parth Jindal, we managed to put JSW logo on DC jersey by way of being the principal sponsor of the Delhi Capitals. And I'm sure by the time the league ends, JSW would be a household name across. With this, I would quickly like to sign off on high note by requesting you all, both DC team and our dealer partners, for continuing to keep scoring and batting like this and create new highs. And wishing you all a very happy and fun-filled festive greetings. Thank you. Back to you, Sachin.
Thank you, Mr. Singh. Thank you. And I request you please stay back and request all our business partners to please join in with the cricketers for a nice selfie, which our backing team will be taking. So request everybody to give him that best smile. All you could do, thank you. I hope. Once again, thank you to each and everyone for joining us in, and that's all the time we had. I would like to thank the champion cricketers of Delhi Capitals, Shikhar, Rishabh, and Shreyas, for joining us today. Thank you so much. The whole team of JSW Cement wishes you all the best for the rest of the tournament. And once again, congratulations to the winners of JSW Cement, and hope that you continue your winning run in times to come. That's all we have in the proceedings this evening. This is Sachin Kumbar signing off. Have a great evening, and as they say,
Thank you, everyone.